it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. I am so sorry about getting this preview of the upcoming projects out so late today, but I have been experiencing serious technical difficulties with my electronic equipment, and I had to get my on-site IT specialist, i.e. Mike, to come out and figure it out for me, and it kind of threw me off for the day, but I was finally able to get out here and make the projects for next week. And I decided I would go with the Think Pink week. I love pink, so everything that I made for next week is pink, and it's also following this particular paper pattern, so it's all in this pattern. And this is a request from a couple of you guys. You asked me if I would make a smaller version of the large candy sampler box that I demoed on Friday. So that's what this is. It's a 4x4 box. I'm not going to take off the bow, but we'll go over this next week and I'll show you how to make it. And then we have this fun bag, and this is really a beginner level project, but it's a unique one. It's not your typical bag. You can see from the bottom of it that the bottom is not square, it's not rectangular. And when you look at it from the top, you can see how it's actually flaring in at the sides and out at the back. It is a beautiful bag. I think it turned out wonderfully. So we'll be making this next week. And then we're going to move over to the boxes that we'll be making. So we're going to make this box, and this box measures 5 by 2 3/4, I believe. I don't have the measurements right in front of me, but I'll certainly go over it with you guys when we make it. And it is a perfect size box for holding goodies, teas, little perfumes. It's great for gift giving, so we will be doing this one as well. And this little box, I think you guys are really going to love it. It's a little trinket box, or it could be a little candy box, whichever one you prefer. I added a handle to the top, and the handle was black, and I painted it white because I thought white was more of a romantic look for this particular box than a darker colored handle. So when you open it up, we've got plenty of room for putting goodies or mini nail polishes or just travel size perfumes, anything. So it's perfect for giving those gifts. And then I've got the little feet on the bottom. And my final project is this beautiful box. It looks like a little chest, and it's got the feet on it. I painted the feet. I painted all of the hardware white because I really wanted to go with that more romantic look of this pink and creams and gold and white. And I think it just turned out beautifully. So we will be making this project as well. And as you can see from looking at it on the inside, there's plenty of room for storing goodies or giving candy. It's just perfect. And I think that you guys will love making this one if you choose to make it. And if you choose to give it to someone, they're absolutely going to be thrilled. So that's our preview for next week, or next week being tomorrow. And we will have some fun making all of these wonderful Think Pink items. So there you go. Those are all of our projects for next week, and I think that they are absolutely just splendid. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.